How to fix request access in Google Drive. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you the ways on to fix your request access in Google Drive. Now every folders and file in your Google Drive space can be shared with other users through a link. So whenever someone tries to access this particular link on an account that does not have permission, they will have an option to request access from you. So basically what you'll have to do is, in order to fix this particular issue, first of all, what you can do is so there's only one alternate: contact the admin and ask them to give access of that particular link. Only then you'll be able to get an access or hold of that particular link of that particular Google Drive. And apart from that, if you already have an access of that particular link, then what you can do is you can simply check the status of a Google Drive, or you can try from a new web browser or a device, and you can also try using it in your incognito or in a private mode, and that's basically how it's gonna fix it. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.